The RouterOS command line interface is a valuable tool that you should learn how to use, and there are several interesting features that will help you to be more productive. Most people are already familiar with the tree-like hierarchy and they have learned to navigate it. It is simple. You type in the name of a section, press enter, and you are there. Press the tab button if you would like to list the available actions in this section and any subsections available. And of course, you can also use the tab key to autocomplete for faster typing. Use the double dot command to go back one section or the slash to go all the way to the root section. You can also use the slash to execute command from another section without changing your current location within the hierarchy. The command I used there was print, which is one of the general commands that you will see repeated in many sections, and it just returns any information or items that are stored in that section. And it can be used along with other parameters. A great one is where, which allows you to filter items. For example, print where name equals ether3 to get a specific item, or you could match the name to a string using the tilde symbol and find several items. Other general commands are add, move, and remove to manipulate items in a list, and edit and set to alter existing items. Another general command is find, which will not return anything to the user on its own. However, it can be used to find a specific item or a list of items that can then be passed on as arguments to other functions. For example, interface monitor find will find all of the interfaces and then pass them on to the monitor command. Or similarly to the print command, you could use it along with the where parameter, where you pass on a specific name or other attribute. If you spend a lot of time configuring MikroTik routers, then you will find the following features very neat. They will speed up your workflow. First, you can make use of the hot lock mode. There is no need to be spamming the tab key all the time. If you already know the exact commands that you will be typing, just press F7. And now, as soon as a single command matches the letters that you have already typed, it will be auto-completed for you, but this takes time to get used to. You can exit it by pressing F7 again. Then we also have safe mode. Enable it with Ctrl X or F4. Now you can safely make changes that you are not sure if they are going to work. And if you end up locking yourself out of the system, all the changes will be immediately reverted as they were tied to the specific session. The changes that you make in safe mode are only applied permanently if you manually exit the safe mode. You could also use this mode to play around with your configuration without having to worry about reverting it later. Now let's go over some quick hotkeys. There is a bunch of them and you can view them all in our help page, but here are some of my favorite ones. You got Ctrl-C to stop things. Maybe you started a script that is now stuck in an endless loop. Now you can stop it. You can use the up and down keys to navigate your console history. But if you are looking for something specific, just press Ctrl-R to search for a keyword. If you would like to clear the current line, instead of holding backspace, just press Ctrl-U to instantly delete everything to the left of the cursor. Alternatively, you could use Ctrl-K to delete everything to the right from the cursor. And if you ever realize you need to add something at the beginning of the line, press Ctrl-A to move to the beginning of the line. When you are done with a certain terminal in Winbox, press Ctrl-D to log out and close the terminal. But wait, there's more! Chat with other users connected to your MikroTik device by using the hashtag.